On our journey to identify the top IDOs and IEOs for this market cycle, today we have landed on Kasta. So in this video, we are going to cover what exactly is Kasta and how you can actually participate in the Kasta IEO and why we are so excited about the Kasta IEO.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. Every day on this channel, I show you how you can make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, do not forget that every day at 10 PM we come live on our channel and cover all the daily news and wrap up for the day. Also, if you'd like to discuss anything related to any crypto, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below as well as in the comments. So without further delay, let's jump on to the details about Kasta. Now, one of the reasons why we have chosen Kasta is if we go to cryptorank.io, which is one of the most popular sites for identifying new IDOs and IEOs, you will come to see that Kasta is one of the most trending tokens right now. Okay, and it is not just today, it has been trending for a period of more than 4 or 5 weeks. So let's try to understand what exactly is Kasta. Kasta enables you to send and receive crypto with ease. In one line, that is how you can define Kasta. Every transfer is convenient. You can send crypto by inserting your friend's phone number or scan their QR code, and it is done instantly and without any fees. Kasta is in short is a software wallet that you can use for storing and distributing crypto to your friends and family. Now this is what they are starting off with. In the long run, they also have plans to introduce the Kasta debit card, buy now and pay later option, which will play an important role in the tokenomics of the Kasta token. And also you can earn passive income with yield, right? So Kasta will enable us to find the best returns for our crypto with the lowest amount of risk. And also it is targeting to build an easy swap engine. So Kasta's easy swap engine will enable people to choose what currency they would like to receive payments from. For example, send BTC and receive euros or any other currency as well. Now, how you can use Kasta? Let's take a quick look on that. It's very easy. You can just sign up and open a Kasta account, deposit or buy crypto to your Kasta wallet, and then you can easily send crypto for free and instantly, right? So the key word here is that you can send tokens for absolutely free of cost. Now let's take a quick look on the roadmap for Kasta. Right, so these all have been completed, like Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 of 2021 is done, where they built the project idea and some development work was done, the MVP was built. Q1 of 2022 looks to be the year when they enable exchanging of crypto to fiat, buying of several other currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Kasta, and they also have launched their MVP. And also the initial exchange offering, which is due in less than 12 hours. We'll also come to that, how you can actually participate in the IEO later on in this video. Q2 would focus on building the affiliate networks, best rates and liquidity from the exchanges, yields, offer from banks and bank transfer to and from Kasta. And also Q3 would target to have payouts. You can request payments, send payments to non-users of Kasta as well, and merchant utilities, smart payment links as well. And Q4 will enable gamification, and the most important aspect is the buy now, pay later option, as well as adding more functionality to the debit card and recurring deposits and payments to the Kasta ecosystem. Now, if I have to take a quick look on some of the token metrics at Kasta, the token type is ERC20 Polygon. The total supply is at about 1.5 billion Kasta tokens. Hard cap is at about 6.5 million. In the seed round, they had raised about $2 million. In the private round, about $3 million. And at the TGE, which is due in less than 12 hours, from the time you're watching this video, they will be looking to raise about $1.5 million, and the initial market cap is at about 1.5 million. The total diluted market cap is at about 60 million. If I have to very quickly talk about the prices at the various levels, then at the seed round it was at about 1.5 cents. In the private round it was at about 2.2 cents. In the TGE it is at about 4 cents, right? So from the private rounds to the TGE or the public round, there is a difference of approximately 50%. That is why I ask you to participate in the private rounds of various projects. How you can do so? You can contact me on my Telegram. The link is given in the descriptions below, and we have a premium group for that as well, right? So mind you, this is a premium group wherein we participate as private investors in different projects, so you can reach out to me. If I very quickly talk about the vesting, then for the seed investors there will be a 5% vesting every month approximately, and this will begin on the 61st day of the listing. That is, for the 2 months they have a cliff. For the private investors, there's about 6% per month. They have about 1 month cliff. And for the TG or the public round, where you might actually be interested in investing, there is absolutely no cliff, and you will get 100% of the tokens at listing. Now let's try to understand why we are so excited about Kasta. Now Kasta is backed by some of the well-known influencers in the crypto space, right? You can see here the teams, the founders. It is backed by Carl Runfeld, who runs the channel The Moon, so a big shout out to him as well. He's the co-founder and CMO. Apart from that, Kasta has been regularly published across leading magazines like Forbes, Yahoo, CNBC, and many others. Also, if I have to take a quick look on the advisors, they have Kyle Chase, Dan Hoy, Jordan TNG, and even on tech. So a lot of influencers, just like how we covered about VLaunch, VPAD token, a lot of influencers are backing this program and backing this token, and hence we are so excited. If I have to talk quickly about the social media following, just go to the Twitter and see the number of followers. It's 150,000 followers without the token even going live. So this is absolutely phenomenal, guys. And whenever you're heading to Twitter, don't forget to follow us on Twitter as well. Our Twitter is given on the description below. Now, how you can actually participate in the IEO? Let's take a quick look on that. So Bybit is actually holding the IEO. If you do not have an account on Bybit, go to the description below, click on my link given, and you will get a $20 bonus by signing up from my link, and you can easily participate in the IEO. How you can do that and what are the criteria for that? Let's take a quick look on that. So to participate in the IEO, you must have completed the KYC L1 requirements or the business verification to be eligible for the event. Users from restricted countries are not allowed to join in this event. This is pretty much same like how we have in different other IDOs as well. But one exception is that in Bybit, you cannot participate even if you are from Singapore. So please take a note of that as well. Now, how you can complete the KYC? Just you can click on verify now, and you'll be taken to this page wherein you will be asked to verify your nationality, name, ID, phone number, complete your face verification through the computer camera or through any mobile phone camera. And for the verification purpose, if you are in India, you can use your Aadhaar card for verification purpose as well. Once this verification is done, then you need to hold at least 50 BIT tokens, right? And the price of one BIT token is approximately $2.16. That comes to a little above $100 that you need to hold in your spot wallet, your derivatives wallet, whatever wallet in your Bybit account. So therefore, it is extremely important that you open a Bybit account. And guys, I am very confident that Kasta is going to do extremely well. Okay, I personally believe it can easily do a 100x despite of the present market sentiments, right? So keep that in mind as well. So that's pretty much it about the Kasta token, and we believe that it is here to stay for the long run, and this is how you can participate in the Kasta IEO, which is due in less than 12 hours, friends. So buckle up, go to Bybit using the link below, sign up, complete your KYC, buy some BIT tokens, and you will be eligible to buy the Kasta tokens, guys, right? So if you like the content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and also we are coming live every day 10 p.m. on our YouTube channel to cover all the news and wrap up for the day. So do not forget to join us on our live. You can also ask your questions in the comments as well. So thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.